So I'm finally going to try a wig glue today. I've never ever used one before. I always use the gel, the Got To Be Glue gel, and then after that, when I realized that I don't need the gel, I've only used the spray, and it's been me and the spray for about 2 years now. But I take my wigs off every day, so that's fine for me. But if you want something that lasts longer, maybe 2-3 days, or you need some extra security, that's what this is for. These products are from the Janet collection. It's wig glue, wig remover, and a primer. So that's why I'm gonna be trying it out today to see, you know, because not every day you want to take off your wig. Some people want their wigs to last longer. So this is gonna be interesting. It's supposed to stay on with water, rain, sweat, whatever. You can go swimming, you can get wet, you can go to the gym, and everything is supposed to stay on. So this is why I'm in this kind of element, because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on this wig with these products, and then I'm gonna go work out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prep my hair. Now, I'm very concerned about my edges, so I'm grabbing my big tub of shea butter. I got this on Amazon for like £8. Grab a little bit of shea butter, and I'm just gonna put it on my actual hair. Not on my skin, just my hair, just to make sure that it is well protected. Then I'm gonna grab this little edges brush here and just brush my edges back. You want to try to cover as much of your hair as possible. Now I'm going to get some rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to clean my skin to make sure that there's no dirt, debris, grease, or particles, so that the glue will adhere to my skin properly. I'm going to start out with the primer. Now this says it's a guard and grip primer, improves adhesion, protects hairline, and grows edges. It has vanilla scent, and it's designed for all skin types, hot and humid weather, sweating, sensitive skin friendly. So you can either use a brush, or I just dip it in there and just go like this, because that's easier. So we're gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm gonna put on the glue. So this wig is from Allure Hair. It's gorgeous. So right now I'm just figuring out where I want this hair to lie. We're not securing anything just yet. This is the glue. This is what it looks like, you guys. And the directions read, apply a thin layer evenly around the hairline. When the glue turns clear, it takes approximately 30 seconds, apply the lace wig and apply for 1 minute or firmly to hold in place. I'm still going to use a satin scarf to secure it for a little bit, just to set it in place. I can definitely feel that it is gripped, like it's on there.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so my hair is set now. I'm just gonna take off and I kind of did my edges as well, just cause, well, why not? I guess now I'm gonna go work out. See how it holds up. Don't mind me, I'm putting my hair back and dancing to a little bit of soca while I'm getting myself prepped and motivated to work out. My actual workout starts now. As you guys can see, I am done. I am sweating absolute buckets. It seemed to hold up okay, I guess. But this side is lifting. Look at that. It's lifted a lot on this side, but this side hasn't. This side is still down. But as you can tell, Insanity is a very, very insane workout. So you can see the sweat dripping off my body right now. So I can barely breathe. I have to catch my breath. If you were to wear a band or a cap, I feel like it would protect your hair better. I know the light's not great anymore because the sun's going down, but I ended up waiting a little bit before I went to shower, and it got sticky again, and it actually stuck back down. So I mean, not bad. Okay y'all, good morning. It is day 2 with this wig, and it is still on. I worked out yesterday. I had a shower. I slept in this, and the wig did come off a little bit, but it was still sticky, and I didn't have to reapply anything. I could just go like this and it stuck back down. this side hasn't lifted at all. So maybe I did this side better than I did this side. Maybe it's my technique. Remember, this is the first time that I'm actually using this, so it could just be my human error, because why is this side staying down perfectly but this side isn't? We don't know. Time will tell. I'm really putting this through the test. If you're gonna do this and you want it to last and stuff, you would tie up your edges and put your hair up in a bun. I'm wanting to put this through as much stress as possible to see how it's gonna hold. So far, I am actually impressed, because I wouldn't normally do this if I was trying to really take care of it. I'm trying to really stress it out. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go have a shower, and I'm going to really soak the front of this to see if it comes off, because you're supposed to be able to go swimming with it. Now, I'm not in the Caribbean. I can't go outside my house because we're in quarantine, so I'm gonna mimic as much as I can getting into the ocean or going to the pool by having a shower. Okay, so I've soaked my entire front. Like, I can feel it going down into my cornrows right now. That's how soaked it is. What I will say though is, I don't understand how you lot go swimming or want to go out or whatever and not take your wigs off at night, because right now all I'm thinking is that if I went swimming and my wig is down like this and my hair is wet, I won't have a way to dry my hair properly, even with a hair dryer. So it's gonna smell under there because it's just wet and damp for days. Why would you not want to take your wig off at night? But anyway, that don't matter. That don't matter. The wig is still on. It's still on this side. It's lifted a teeny weeny bit, but it's down on this side. This side, not so much. We already knew that. So now the next test will be me reapplying the bond and seeing whether or not just giving it a quick application will work in restoring the glue to the wig. That's what we're gonna have to test out next. And I guess it's a good thing that it's kind of come off, so I can show you guys how to clean off the wig glue. You get the little remover and you spray it directly onto the area. Now it should just slide right off. I'm just gonna clean it with a Q-tip. So this is all the glue. And don't forget, I put makeup on my wig as well, so that's what you're seeing. That's why it's brown. So now I've had 2 showers, I've worked out once, and all we had was a little lifting on this side. That side is still holding up really well. I think I secured it a lot better than I did the first time. Like, it's really non-moving. So I'm gonna go ahead with my day as usual, and we'll see how it holds up until tomorrow. It still looks really damn good. I'm gonna cover it now. I showed you guys how it looked all wet, but today I'm gonna do the right thing and protect the wig and see what it's like, if it's gonna hold up. So, makeshift shower cap on. I'll let you guys know the outcome. Okay guys, I'm done with my shower. This is a humidity test. Okay, you can see that it is steamy up in here, and this is how the wig fared in the humidity, the wig glue I should say. It's on there. So we've done humidity, we've done swimming technically, we've done a workout, and we've done just a normal day where it just stayed on. So far so good. Good morning, you guys. As you can see, the wig is still on. So we still here. Day 4. Okay, time to start the day. Time to start the day. Hello. Hello. I'm done with my workout and I wrapped my hair. And as you can see, it's still on. I have dried off now. I'm no longer sweaty and the wig has gone back in place. Back in place. This glue is the shiznit. I'm about to take a shower. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Ooh. Ooh, my lips are dry. I look like a crackhead. There we go. I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for the day. Okay guys, it's the end of day 4 basically. I haven't retouched the hair at all. I literally just did my edges and it's holding up pretty well. I will say that it is lifting a little bit, like a little tiny bit on the side here. Remember this side I haven't actually touched up. So this side is 4 days going strong. Haven't done anything to it, so it's starting to lift on this side here. It survived 3 workouts, 3 nights without being tied, without a satin scarf or anything like that. We did have a few hiccups, but overall I think this system is a really good system. I think these products are really good. To last 4 days with minimal touch-ups is really good. I don't feel any pulling on my edges or any pulling of the wig sliding back. And I think that is because of this product right here, which is like the primer. They work really well. All I would say is that I wish there was a lot more in the tube. I wish it was a bigger tube. But yeah, you don't need a lot for it to be stuck down. But it would be nice if it was bigger. So a link to these products will be in the description bar for you guys if you guys want to try it out. I think if you're looking for something that is going to last you for at least a week, this is it. These are the products that will do so. Will I use this product again? Absolutely, yes I will. But I will save it for a time when I actually want to wear my wigs for a long time, like if I'm going to the Caribbean or I'm going somewhere that's hot and humid. But within the UK, I'm just going to stick with my everyday, taking off the wig, putting it back on again, because I don't like to sleep in my wigs. But I do think that the product's really good. So that's my feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next one.